Hi, I'm Puja Mandari. I'm currently working as full stack engineer in one of the AI software company. I joined Dented Code Academy in February 2021 intake. Before joining Dented Code, I used to do part-time work in hospitality sector as well as services sector. I was continuing my bachelor's degree as well. Some of the challenges to get into the job was not having technical skill that is needed for the job market. In the same way, like not having enough projects, like hands-on projects to show to the recruiters, not having enough presentation skill and communication skill. In order to start my career in IT industry, I used to watch a lot of programming tutorials in YouTube. I used to buy a lot of Udemy courses as well, and then I used to Google every time about the job market as well. My overall experience with Dented Code Academy was fantastic. The support I got from Dented Code Academy was beyond expectation. Course structure was designed based on the market demand. I got all the training that is needed for the job market. In the same way, I got help in interview preparation, resume preparation. I got support from Dented Code Academy not only during the training session but also after the training session. And the training helped me to build required technical skill, hands-on project to present, resume preparation and job navigation. During the training session, we learned to design, develop and deploy the large-scale project. So I was not happy what I was doing before because I always wanted to work as a software engineer. Now I'm living my dream, like I'm working as a software engineer. I'm having a better life than I was having before. So there are more job opportunities in the market than you think. Like all you need to do is like have a desire and passion to achieve that. There is always something for you in the job market. So if you want to start your career in IT industry, all you need is a good mentor, someone who can push you forward. And based on my personal experience, I will recommend you Dented Code Academy. And I wish you good luck for your job hunt.